Unu Igbo Ndioma Nlinkem Kedukunumere. Hello, my amazing Igbo language learners. How are you all doing? So, our Igbo word for today is the word Elekere. Elekere. The word Elekere in English means clock. Can still serves the same purpose as a wristwatch. So, whether it's wristwatch or clock, it is called Elekere in Igbo language. This one you can specifically call it Elekere a-na-agba n'aka. Elekere mgbanaka. That is the wristwatch. That is wristwatch because you wear it on your wrists. But it still serves the same purpose as the clock. So that is why it is Elekere. Example of how to use it. Ọmụmaatụ ka esi eji elekere emebe ahịrịokwu. Biko, again, I'll use the word biko. Biko, gịnị na-akụ na elekere gị? That is asking politely somebody what is the time on their watch or the clock. Biko, gịnị na-akụ na elekere? Please, what's the time on the clock? Another example. Biko, nyem elekerem. Please give me my wristwatch. I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And practice. Also practice. Practice, practice, practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you next time. Kemesia.